I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: updated Clash Royale, Google account signed into Play Store, and permissions granted. Open Clash Royale and tap the gear icon to access settings. Once in settings, locate the Supercell ID panel near the top. That's the door to linking. Tap the button labeled Connect or Log into Supercell ID to begin. You do this now so the game can read your Play account and present the correct sign-in options. Don't skip the permissions check. Once you tap Connect, choose Continue with Google. This starts the OAuth flow. You'll see the Google account chooser. Select the account already signed into Play Store that you intend to link. Make sure you read and accept permission prompts so Supercell can verify ownership. After permission, the game will exchange credentials and return you to Clash Royale showing a Supercell ID name or email. If you see confirmation, you're linked. If not, repeat the selection step and ensure Play services. Finish by confirming the Supercell ID details in settings. Note the email or nickname and screenshot it for safety. Test the connection by signing out of Supercell ID and signing back in. This proves the link works and lets you restore on another device. If linking fails, make sure Play services and Play Store are up to date, clear app cache, and retry. If you still can't link, contact Supercell support via the in-game help with your device details and screenshots to resolve account mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.